back with another video. I know I've been gone. I know I've been gone, and it's been a month of Sundays, but I am back and here to stay. It's been a lot going on. As you know by the title, we are talking about my update and what's been going on with me, as well as an update and almost like some things that I didn't say in my first video. It was pretty much points on how to just be a better you through manifestation, through prayer, through your mindset, through your goals, through your money, your finances, just different things in different ways that I've seen progress within my journey of being a boss. I want to be a boss, y'all, a boss lady, just somebody that knows how to handle her own, you know? So most definitely go check that video out because, yeah, I was spitting fire. Okay. But anyways, something that I did not go over in that first video was distractions. Frankly, that's kind of why I've been gone so long. I've gotten distracted. That may be with friends, that may be with family, that may be with things that you shouldn't be doing. Like just things that you should not be doing and not partaking in. Yeah, like we can start with one point, which is friends. Now, I love my friends, but people that I've had to let go of them because the friendship was a distraction. And that doesn't mean just friendships like friendships, but that means also relationships and also best friends that you've known for years and also friends that you grew up with. Like some of those people are not best suited for you, and that's okay. We still love them. We just have to learn how to let them go. And those are one of the things that we as bosses have to learn how to do, which is let go. We have to learn how to say, okay, this does not suit me. This is not for me. This is not God's plan. So I'm gonna have to see myself out, because sometimes they're not just gonna flutter off themselves. Sometimes you gotta have to like leave the situation, because if you don't leave the situation, you're gonna be put under fire. So you have to learn when to walk away from people, as well as your family. You have to learn how to not deal with them. I'm not saying we can't be mean to our family. We don't pick our family. We just have to love them. But that does not mean that you have to involve yourself in every family activity that they do. They're just your family. God just gave them to you, but you don't have to be around them 24/7. You don't have to do what they do 24. No. So that goes the same way. You have to be in a boss mindset. You have to be able to walk away. And that's with anything. Now with me, I had to pray them out of my life. Lord, let them leave me alone. Let them stop talking to me. And God said, no, you're gonna have to walk away from this one. As a boss, I'm gonna have to walk away from this one. I'm gonna have to walk away from you. Or even doing situations like going to the club. Now, I'm not telling everybody not to go to the club, because I like to go every now and again. But you gotta learn when to sit down. You sit on the couch, you turn the TV on, and you do something that's productive. Read a book. You know, like, you got to do the things that are productive for you. You have to learn how to walk away. You have to learn that when distractions come, may them be in physical form or mental or friendships or a party, you got to learn when to say no to stuff. That is the biggest thing, being able to say no and walk away from things as a boss. Okay, now an update. It's been a lot going on, y'all. I moved. I got my own place. House tour coming soon. I got videos for y'all, I promise. We in this mug like swimwear. Yeah, I got a new job. God has blessed me with a new job, a new car, a new home, frankly, new friends, and just new love, like just new outlook on life. So most definitely, like, put in the comments what y'all want to see, what y'all want to do, like home tour, like I got a list of what I got from my apartment. Like, I can give y'all, if y'all got questions, most definitely ask me. I've been there, done that, and this is not the first time. So most definitely story times, because I got a lot of them. Got a lot of trauma for that. Thank you, trauma.
Okay.
But so just let me know what y'all want to see, and I have no problem sharing, because yeah. But I love y'all. Most definitely make sure you subscribe, like, comment on this video, comment on this video, comment on this video, and let me know what's up. Share it, because y'all know y'all nosy, and y'all, you know, send it here and send it there. But I love y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.